As a person who struggles with nighttime anxiety, I found that if I filled my head with positive thoughts, I was less likely to wake up at night or in the morning feeling anxious or having anxiety attacks. As you rest, your subconscious mind absorbs these positive messages, helping you wake up feeling more relaxed, centered, and in control. Let's begin. I am safe and I am in control. I trust myself to handle whatever comes my way. I am grounded, present, and capable of managing this moment. Each breath I take brings me peace and calm. I am worthy of peace, and I deserve to feel calm. I choose to release what I cannot control. This feeling is temporary, and I have the strength to move through it. I am capable of finding balance and calm in any situation. My thoughts do not control me. I am in charge of my mind. I trust in the process of life, and I am exactly where I need to be. I am in control of my thoughts and feelings. I trust myself to handle whatever comes my way. I am safe and I am okay right now. I breathe in calmness and breathe out tension. I am strong and I can get through this. I am worthy of peace and serenity. I release worry and embrace calmness. This feeling is temporary and it will pass. I choose to focus on what I can control. I am resilient and I can manage anxiety. I am safe in this moment. I have survived anxious thoughts before, and I will again. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I am stronger than anxiety. I release what I cannot control and focus on what I can. My feelings are valid, but they do not define me. This feeling will pass, and I will be okay. I am doing my best, and that is enough. I choose peace over worry. I am safe in this moment. I choose to let go of fear and embrace peace. My mind and body are relaxed and at ease. I am stronger than any anxious thought. I inhale peace and exhale worry. Anxiety does not define me. I release tension and welcome calmness. I trust that everything is working out for my highest good. I am resilient, capable, and strong. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I give myself permission to feel and heal. My feelings are valid, but they do not control me. I am worthy of love and understanding, especially from myself. I am doing my best, and that is enough. I allow myself to rest without guilt. I am learning to trust myself more every day. I am proud of myself for how far I've come. I am patient with myself as I grow. I let go of self-judgment and embrace self-love. I choose faith over fear. Everything is unfolding as it should. I am adaptable and I can handle change with grace. Worry does not solve problems. I focus on solutions. I replace anxious thoughts with empowering ones. I trust in my ability to navigate challenges. I let go of what I cannot control. My past does not determine my future. Every breath I take fills me with calm and clarity. I release the need for perfection and embrace progress.